Describing an issue over the phone, chat, or in text can be difficult. Now with CxEngage, contact center agents can easily pivot from any support channel to an immersive video conversation for more interactive problem solving. For interactions that require a visual context, agents can now send the customer a link to a life-size video call, which can be used on any device. Once connected, the customer's video displays natively in the agent's interface, eliminating the need to minimize windows or switch applications.
I still can't get my TV to work. Can you help me?
All right, let's take a look at that together. Can you show me your TV connection?
Sure.
All right, it looks like your HDMI cable is not properly connected. Try unplugging it and moving it.
From remote support to telemedicine, to insurance adjusting and retail customer support, CxEngage's native video capabilities will help you deliver a more personal customer experience, reduce field support requests, and resolve issues faster. Because sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 words.